Example 2. A shopper spends an average of 43 minutes with the standard deviation of 12 minutes in the store. Okay. The length of time spent in the store are normally distributed and are represented by the variable x. Okay, so now a shopper enters the store. Find the probability that the shopper will be in the store more than 37 minutes. More than 37 minutes. Try this one for me. So now I give you guys a very, very specific application problem. Okay, application problems. Now I want you guys use the tools that you learned from previous example. Solve this problem by yourself. Okay, that's a very, very specific application problems. Okay, so you should be able to do some analysis by using the statistical tool to calculate the probability. Okay, now do it. Okay, now let me do it on board. So let's grab some keywords. Okay, the keywords. The first things you know that is normally distributed. So it's about normal distribution. That is not standard normal distribution. And we also know the average is 43. That means mu equals 43. And the standard deviation is sigma equals 12. Okay. And of course, here's keywords more than. Wow, more than. So let's draw the picture. We have 43 and 12. And we also know that x, for example, x2, x1 equal to 37. Okay. And the more than is here. The area to the right. Okay. So the idea is you guys needed to calculate this guy. This guy. And we know we couldn't directly use the table. Of course, we need to transform it to the standard normal distribution. That is Z1. And the first step, you're gonna calculate the Z1 gonna be X1 minus mu divided by sigma. And let's take a look. 37 minus 43 divided by 12 equals negative 0.5. Okay, now we can calculate the area to the right. Gonna be the one subtract the area to the left. And the area to the left gonna be 0.3085. And this guy gonna give you 0.6915. Good job, you got it. So this guy, we have the conclusion, 0.6915. That's it. And let's take a look, problem B. When 200 shops enter the store, shoppers enter the store, how many shoppers would you expect to be in the store that in the store bit more than 37 minutes. Okay, now let's take a look at these problems. Now it's very specific. 200 shoppers. Okay, how many of them would stay there for more than 37 minutes? Okay, the problem is gonna be the continuous from the previous problems, more than 37 minutes, and we needed to know the probability. Okay, we know the probability for this guy is what? More than is 0.6915. So we have 200 people, and the probability is 0.6915. Just let 200 times this guy, and it's gonna give you 138.3, and roughly equals 138, because the number of people should be integer. So we should round it to integer. It's 138. Okay, be careful. Do you understand? So we have 200 shovels, and the probability we just calculated from last problem is 0.6915. So 200 times the probability gonna give you the number. Okay, give you the number. That's it. Very specific. Now I want you guys to do it again. I just change it. Change the problem A. Okay, problem A. The same things. Find the probability, blah, 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 blah. Now, between 22 and 52 minutes. Okay, find the probability that the shopper will be in the store. Now I change it to between 22 and 15 minutes. Try it again. And of course, the same things. Find the number of store. Okay, A and B. Finish the problem. A and B again, but I change the minutes. Now I change it to between 22 and 52. Okay. And for the problem B, yes, when 200 shoppers enter the store, how many shoppers would you expect to be in the store between 22 and 52 minutes? Okay, the same things. Just finish this problem by yourself. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna write down the answer on board. So now, I can solve it. We have 22, 52, 52, x1, x2. Okay, we calculate the area in the middle. Now we transform it. We have z1 and z2. The area in the middle, right? It's between, right? So follow the steps. Z1 gonna be x1 minus mu divided by sigma. X1 is 22 minus 43. Negative 1.25. Z2 should be x2 minus mu divided by sigma. Should be 22 minus oh sorry, yes 52. And this should be 0.75. Okay. Now you're gonna calculate the area in the middle. Follow these 3 steps. That guy gonna give you 0.0401. The second one is okay, and the third step. Subtraction. Okay. And then we can say, hey, the area or the probability between this guy will be at 0. It just equals this guy, right? So, okay. And for the problem B, if there are 200 shoppers, then times the probability, and how many gonna be in the store will be roughly is 147. Okay, because the number of shoppers will be integer, so you need to round up to 147. Okay, that's it.